Step 1. Open the box. Take out the 4-car door anti-kick pad stickers. Step 2. Clean the installation area thoroughly and apply adhesion promoter. Step 3. Identify the left/right models and correct positions of the anti-kick pads. Then carefully stick the anti-kick pads according to video positions. Step 4. According to video, remove the tape on the back. Press it carefully to make it stick firmly. The installation steps for the other 3 pads are the same. Note: do not drive the vehicle within 24 hours after installation. Avoid cleaning the vehicle within 72 hours after installation.